nor is the sun setting. The Earth is coursing in its elliptical orbit, also is rotating very nearly on its axis, regularly but with deviations. So then the Earth is rolling, presenting its surface roughly half the day to the extraordinary rays of the sun, half then of the day gazing out into the darkness of space. Truly speaking, adding complexity, the darkness referred to is all around but cannot be seen when the Earth faces the sun. We call it now the sunrise that is, for the sun is not rising, only appearing to do so. Earth sliding, probably not so good, because where is the turn and easing? Ah yes, that made good. Easing to morning, charging through day, then easing at night. Mornease, Nightease, midday and midnight, can I suppose remain the same? By the way, the heat orbits of the planets are not circular, but spiral. Truly speaking, adding complexity, the darkness referred to is all around but cannot be seen when the Earth faces the sun, half then of the day gazing out into the darkness of space. Truly speaking, adding complexity, the darkness referred to is all around but cannot be seen when the Earth faces the sun. Now then, what shall we call it now? The sunrise that is, for the sun is not rising, nor appearing to do so. Earth sliding, probably not so good, because where is the turn? Easing, ah yes, that made good. Easing to morning, charging through day, then easing at night. Mornease, Nightease, midday and midnight, can I suppose remain the same? By the way, the heat orbits of the planets are not circular, but spiral.